Every great achievement begins with a challenge. For us, it wasn't just about learning. It was about adapting, experimenting, and sometimes even failing. What we're doing isn't easy, far from it. But that's what makes it worth it.
Setup Wizard. The first step is creating a new strategy. In the NinjaTrader Control Center, click New, then select Strategy Builder. Name your strategy, My First Bot. Keep the default properties and additional data as they are for now. In the Inputs and Variables section, add 2 new inputs: Fast AVG with a default value of 9, Slow AVG with a default value of 21. The Strategy Builder offers an easy way to define variables and set up basic rules without needing to touch code. However, to fully customize our bot, we'll unlock the code in the next step.
Unlocking the code. Now, let's take a moment to unlock the true potential of your strategy. Think about what this moment represents: stepping beyond the boundaries of preset tools and into a world of customization. It's about making this bot uniquely yours. To start, open the Strategy Builder. Find the work you've already done, your strategy, the foundation you've laid. Save it as something new, something ready for growth. My First Bot Unlocked. From there, navigate through the familiar steps of the wizard until you reach the final choice: Unlock Code. Here's where the journey shifts. A warning pops up, a gentle reminder that unlocking the code will disable the visual tools you've been using so far. But that's okay. This step is about taking control. Once you unlock it, you're greeted by the NinjaScript editor, a blank canvas for your ideas, your logic, and your creativity. It's a tool that doesn't just allow you to code, it invites you to innovate. Let's dive in and begin shaping your bot into something that truly reflects your vision.
coding, real trading hours check. With the code unlocked, let's program a critical piece of logic, ensuring your bot trades only during real market hours. Imagine the scene, 9:30 a.m. The market buzzes to life with energy and opportunity. By 4 p.m., the trading floor quiets, signaling the end of the day. Your bot needs to know these boundaries, respecting the rhythm of the market. We'll create a Boolean variable called market open. This will act as a switch, flipping to true when the time is right and false when the market is closed. Using time zero in the toTime function, we'll compare the current time against 9:30 and 1600. If the time falls within this range, market open is true, and the bot is ready to trade. This simple but powerful logic ensures your bot enters positions when the market is active and exits when it's not. Once you've written this code, save it, compile it. Then watch as your bot respects these market hours, seamlessly entering and exiting trades, just as you've programmed it to do. In this moment, you're not just coding, you're creating something precise, disciplined, and responsive. You're laying the groundwork for a bot that thinks like a trader, one step at a time.